Good afternoon, folks. Here's Jeff from Jared's Car Reviews. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you have your notifications turned on so that way you'll know when I upload a new video. So today, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at this 2016 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. This is going to be a full tour of the Hellcat. I'm going to start. I'm also going to show the engine. I'm also going to show you guys the inside as well as the outside of the car. So, here's the key. Got your unlock, lock, your trunk release, remote start, and your panic button. Also has Dodge Smart Key Access System. Just keep the key fob in your pocket. Doors are currently unlocked. To lock, push this button. That locks the car for you. To unlock, you just put your hand behind the door handle and automatically unlocks the car. The color exterior is gold mango and it has black leather interior. Push button start as well. Just put your foot on the brake and hit this red button to start the engine. Beautiful. It's got a 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel, nice and tight power steering. It's got an 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability. You also have a backup camera as well with guidance signs. Park brake's located down there. Keep it on for safety. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on the lights and the hazards. Automatic driver's side window, and check out the exterior. Got your blind spot monitoring on the mirrors. You also have body colored mirrors as well. It also has rubber brakes. Got full LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights and your LED turning indicators. LED tail lights with the LED turning indicators. There's your backup camera. Dual exhaust. up to the hood, you have Dodge's 6.2 liter V8. Very nice. Your power windows, your power door locks, power mirrors, chrome door handle. You also have a cup holder right there. You have a little bit of storage right there. All right, let's go give this thing a couple of revs. Very nice. Now we'll get the exhaust. Sounds awesome. Close the door. You got your climate control with your fan speed, your temperature on each side. Front defrost, rear defrost, air conditioning, recycling. You also have automatic climate control. Your key storage, cup holders, storage in there with a SD card holder, a USB outlet and an auxiliary input, and you have a 12-volt power outlet. Check out the radio. Different stations. Right here you have your 6 preset stations right there. AM, satellite radio. And you have your tuning right here. And you have your media, your controls. So you have heated and ventilated seats. You also have a heated steering wheel as well. You have your mirror dimmer, your screen off. And you have your different settings. You have your apps, your climate, so you can do the climate control from the screen. Or you can do it, right here. So there's 2 ways you can control the climate control. Navigation. You can swipe it. You can zoom in and out. It is a little laggy, but you know, your phone, you got all there. You have your cruise control, your driver info system right there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, and you have voice command. You also have paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Turn signals and wipers. There's high speed. There's slow speed right there. And right there, that's your tachometer, your speedometer, and you also have a digital speedometer there. And you have your digital gas gauge and digital temperature. And where it says PRND is your gear selector. This one only has 9,542 miles on it. Sunglass storage, interior lights, garage home link. You also have your sunroof. Your trunk button, your gauge brightness, and your lights. Alright, so I guess that's pretty much it for the inside. Put the window down and we'll check out the back seat. Or before I forget, you also have your different modes right here. So you press SRT mode. So right now it's in eco mode. You have custom, sport, track. It only has 500 horsepower because I have the black key. Yeah, so check out the back seat. You have your map pocket on the driver's side, you have one on the passenger side. You have your air vents back here. Cup holders for the center armrest. And you have your interior lights. Alright, let's go check out the trunk. Decent amount of trunk space. Got your floor mats. You have your emergency release right there. power door locks, storage, fully manual passenger seat, glove box, very nice. Alright, just gonna shut it off.